Okay, I have a AZBE small cylinder lock. This is a bitting on the key. Okay, it does work. Okay, it is locked up. So it's an AZBE lock. So let's open it up and see what we can find in it. Okay, let's use top of the keyway on this AZBE lock. See if we can get to the back. Okay, pin 1. Okay, I believe that's pin 2. Okay, pin 5. Okay, there it is open. Took a little bit longer than I thought. Alright, let's open it up and see what's in it. We've got a key, so if we lock it back, we lock it back. We can unlock it. Got 2 screws down inside, deep inside. Okay, got that out. Let's get the board here. Okay, let's see if this slide through there. Slide it out. Okay, that worked fine. Okay, all 5 key pins are standard. The plug is just standard plug, nothing been changed about the plug. Okay, let's check our top pins now. Okay, that looks like some kind of AZBE type pin. We'll check it in a moment. And that's another weird AZBE type pin, I believe. And that one is too, or it's a spool, I think. We'll look at them real close. Okay, nothing has been changed up about the plug or the Bible. So let's check the bottom pins. Okay, pin 1 and 2. That's some type of spool on 2, and some type of, looks like a acetype pin on 1. And the key pins are standard. They've been picked a lot, to look like. Okay, let's see about, okay, there's spools on 3 and 4. And standard pin on number 5. Okay, that's what we have in this AZBE lock. Okay, thank you very much. Appreciate you watching. Please do not do anything illegal, and please stay out of trouble. Thank you again.